Hey guys, we're so hot. It's so hot here in Valencia. As you can see, surrounds us. There's plenty of people who wants to take some photo with me. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am ready to be myself. Kung bago pa sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below.
Magandang umaga, higala ngayong adlaw. Pupunta po tayo doon la ni Rejoy Paninia sa City of Valencia kasi tomorrow morning pista na sa kanila, kaya ating tulungan kung paano kainin ang kanila mga handa. Kaya ubanan nyo ako, samahan nyo ako, tana halina kaya mag smile sa ta mintras napatadiring sa kanan nga dili ato kay hinulman ra mo nang halaka balinta sa multicab mag-commute ta kay wa man tay mga kwarta pampalit mo tomorrow na mag-commute ang multicab. So, I just realized that we have to speak in English and Tagalog para maintindihan naman tayo ng iba. So, let me show you what City Valencia looks like. So, here it is. It's very hot like me and you. So, here it is. Here it's me, you. Yes, guys. So, makikita niyo dito ba ako nakapo sa PWD, sa person with disability, kasi kulang po tayo ng pang-isip-isip. So andito na po talaga tayo sa City of Valencia. So nandito kailang Central School at guys Mall. And then after how many years and months I was not able to visit this place. That's why I'm not familiar anymore. And I've been asking for the motor. Pag may handaan, dapat meron tayong kagamitan. Kaya we are here to buy some utensils here in some place in Valencia. And here is my friend ni Rejoy Paninia. Ang pinakagwapa o buutan ako nga amiga dinhi sa Valencia. Hala na ara siya.
Naramong madam. Pwede na ba? Pwede dito? Hi guys. Ay, katoy na na.
Lingin-lingin niya.
Muna siya.
So, third na siya ma'am ka ng kuhan.
Ayaw ka ng hydraulic.
Kana okay, first. Napayuta. Yung dua?
Tinali ito sa angkol ito. O kanina.
Mas lami pa na siya kontratong dahil.
Kontratong lingin. Sure, oy. Isa lang ba?
Ay, isa lang guro. Isa isagol mo dahil. Singkamas.
Dili, wala singkamas.
Guys, namin sa merkado, gipalit na mo tanan baligya daan. So, kauban mini ni Rejoy, ang pinakanato sa Ginuyoran. Unaram na yung may pagkana nato gipalit.
Kanina lang ito.
Naka-save pa ta.
Tagpila ma'am?
Tagpila po din nani.
150.
So, mas mahal gila gini siya.
Kanina lang ang mga
Pakita sa Joy.
Isa lang. On lang na mo eh.
Hi guys, we're so hot. It's so hot here in Valencia. As you can see, surrounds us. There's plenty of people who wants to take some photo with me. Valencia Market. Gagamit ko kag mga rejuve.
Wala ko ito.
Di ko gamitan na eh. Silka rejuve ko. Uyab.
Bro, dako na kay side ako na kay
Yes, 76,000.
Yeah, dulay ka no picture man sa side.
Gani, gimension pa jud ko nimo buangan nimo eh. Yun ako yapil mo naong I'm dating with someone. Na lang.
balik diri sa kan ba?
Sa.
Sa provision sa mga dira man sa CI sa graduate.
Nagalit siya?
Pulis. Sila katong ko manhud.
Gani.
Oh, nam delete sa ko.
Sabi ko sa kagayan siya ng eskwela, Joy.
Kuna oy. Kuna.
Kano sa yung graduation? Nabas na ako Manilaan na. Lagi maglibre sa ko, patar lang. Katong ko na ko sa TikTok. Oh, libre ko ni naman Saudi karon. Sponsor na ako.
Hi guys, in this moment in time, I have to flex myself and I really appreciate how I lose weight, and then I'm so happy with that because of my body waist. And then yeah, I really love using Choser, and then I really love seeing myself on cam. That's why I really miss this type of vlog, flexing my own and flexing myself. And then I just can't believe that after 8 years I'm still single, and I'm so happy with that, and I'm so proud of myself. By the way, I have also to flex my best friend way back from college days, during literal na college days. Yung time na nagsastruggle ka, yung time na walang-wala ka, wala kang pera, wala kang matatakbuhan. And then kasama ko rin to sa aking scholar sa Caritas Manila, and then we know each other how much we battled our trials, our challenges in life. During those time, we cleaned up a lot of things, and then especially nung may nilinis kami ni Doro. By the way, we're going not to their place.
I'm here at Joy's house. Outside their house, and yeah, it's very nice place. It's cool and very cold, you know.
Ay nanawag na to.
Wait. There's a peryahan there, a peryahan. Later we'll go there. Hi guys, I am here with JD's house. I'll introduce to you JD. JD, come here. JD, introduce yourself. Say hi. Hi guys. So that you'll see your face in YouTube. You want it?
Ikaw na dili na pa picture na.
See guys, how beautiful their ambience was. It's very relaxing, it's so nice, very natural, and then very cold. Where if you get here, you have to bring plenty of jackets and pajamas. So guys, look at the environment, very natural, bukid na bukid type talaga guys. And then they have a very good people.
Hey guys,
Bangayon dali.
it's raining.
Bahala bisa na po.
It's raining, by the way. We're looking for a pineapple for tomorrow's lechon. Ulan ang tagayo eh, kanang kusog yung ulan ba?
Na. Ako kay nalir, may nalang.
Inde raman niya.
Sumawa, subagubor din eh.
I love my earrings.
Dara, ang paong gugmay.
Dako mo na balagi, diba?
Peng! Peng, namoy pinya, Peng! Namoy pinya?
It's raining, guys. I love the nature when it's raining.
So during this time guys, we are preparing their church for tomorrow's mass, and then I was not able to take videos during when we blow out balloons for their designs or decoration. And then yeah, here we are again. at church and very cold guys. Napakaginaw talaga sa lugar na to, swear. So thank you for watching this video. After mass, as I serve there as a lecturer, we proceed to Doc's house, and then here's what's going on. Napakaganda ng ambience guys, and then napakaraming foods, and Father Titing just bring me here, and then I just got here pahipi sa kilid, and then pa-check sa atong naong nasamad kitungod sa shaver mo lagi na guys, kay magdali-dali ligiglaag mo nya. So, kabanding nga samad-samad dali shaver manang tanawa guys no, latulat na sa ta pag magkaon kay nagtilaw-tilaw ram ta guys kay bisang nambok na sa ta guys no. And then they gave me San Miguel Pilsen Pilsen, and then here's what's going on. I'm just flexing myself drinking on it since it's been a long time I was not able to drink something like this. I don't like to really drink beer or anything or San Miguel or Red Horse guys. I'm not into it, but I'm on Long Neck or Tanduay brand, and then yeah, but I still have to because this is a thing that they gave me. And then kakayanin guys, and then napakaganda ng nature talaga guys, where napakaganda ng hangin, ganun ba. And then the environment was really cool, and then they started talking something about the past by Father Titing. I just listen here because inahiya po ako guys kasi bago ko pa nakilala yung mga tao dito, and then only Father Titing knows me here. And yeah, this is what's going on. Life must go on. And then after this guys, I have to go to my friend Rejoice, since she's very busy for the event. So look at her, since she is the city treasurer, she's so very busy as you can see. And then here I am, and then she said I'll be the one hosting their event later, or program later at night. And then I'm so excited and happy with that since it's my first time experience. And thank you for watching this video.